Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can link your Facebook with Scrabble Go's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To connect your Facebook with Scrabble Go's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Scrabble Go application. Agree to the terms and conditions of Scrabble Go by tapping on I agree. Click on Play with Friends option. On the next page, tap on Continue As to connect your Scrabble Go's account and link it with Facebook. This is how you can link Facebook with Scrabble Go's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.